So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY. ATC on top, according to CICELY. Gotta drops on drops, according to CICELY.
What's up, ATC gang? Happy Sunday. I hope you all are in great spirits, and if not, I hope you are on your way there. So today is Sunday. Tomorrow my family will be traveling for spring break, so I figured I'd take you along with me to do a packing video. So I got packing cubes, all types of goodies. If you haven't seen my travel essentials video, I'll make sure I link it in the iCards above so you can check that out to see some of the pieces that I'll be utilizing in this video. So if you want to see how I pack and organize for a family of 4, let's get to it. I have 3 different packing cubes in various sizes. So we'll start with packing up some of my clothes. So a couple months ago when I started organizing my bedroom, I put my summer stuff in these space bags. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the space bags and take out the things that I want to pack. I'm trying not to take too much because we're going to be flying Spirit, so we only paid for 3 bags. So I'm gonna share my suitcase with my baby, and then my older son and my boyfriend will share a suitcase. So let's go ahead and get into these packing cubes. So I'm starting out with my largest packing cube, and in my largest cube I packed my shorts and tops. For anyone that is new to my channel, let me stop and introduce myself. Hello, my name is CICELY. I'm a disabled mother of 2 young boys by way of sickle cell anemia, and I thought it was important just to show both sides of disability and to encourage people that if I can get through life through frequent hospitalizations and pain crises, you can get through life no matter what is thrown in your path. I enjoy posting pack with me's, vlogs, organization, cooking videos, and I love home decor. So if you like to follow my journey, go ahead and subscribe. I love to have you join the family. So a lot of the shorts that I packed, I purchased a couple years ago. So a packing tip that I would give you is to make sure you try on all of your pieces. Do not be in a rush, because I ended up packing 3 pairs of shorts, and once I got to Florida, I could only fit 2. So I ended up having to go shopping. So make sure you can actually fit and you love all of the items that you pack. So this packing set was pretty cool because it came with 3 different sizes of bags that I could use to pack my laundry, because you don't want to have a bunch of dirty laundry mixed in with your regular clothes. And then I used the smallest packing cube for my undergarments. So it also included a little bag that you could put your shoes in, so you didn't have to worry about them getting dirty. And as you saw, those are my vibrating house shoes. They're good for my circulation, so I had to make sure that I pack those. Now I think we're going to move on to my toiletries. This toiletry bag was super convenient because it had pockets which allowed me to place full-size items in it, and I ended up using this second toiletry bag to pack my new makeup brushes, and I needed to put away all of my medicines because I didn't want to end up going into a sickle cell crisis on vacation. Although roomy, it just wasn't big enough to hold these full-size bottles. So another packing tip I would have for you would be to go to Walmart or Amazon and get those little individual TSA approved size bottles, and as you can see, I was able to pack all of my medicines in that one bottle. And you can also use those bottles to condense your perfumes and your lotions, which I'll show you next.
into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrow.
So I love the way everything turned out. Everything was nice and condensed and organized. Now we're going to move on to Bay's luggage. So I purchased him a different type of packing cube set, and his basically came with similar items, a large, medium, and small cube for clothes. So I did the same process where I packed his clothes for the daytime in the larger cube, used the middle-sized one for his pajamas and the smaller one for his undergarments.
Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go.
Have I forgotten any packing tips that you would include? If you guys are still here, go ahead and pop this emoji on the screen. If you are enjoying the video thus far, do me a favor and give this video a huge thumbs up, as it helps to promote my channel. I'm on my way to 2,000. So now we're going to go ahead and finish up by packing my baby's clothes. And because these cubes save so much space, I was able to use one of them to pack my 2-year-old's daytime clothes and pajamas. So the last tip I would have for you is, if you are able to, go ahead and weigh your luggage so there are no surprises at the airport. This is how I packed for my family of 4. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the travel day video. All right, y'all. Be blessed and see you next time.
Say that like that shirt, subscribe, do that for Sicily. Till the grind don't stop, recording in Sicily. ATC on top, recording in Sicily.